Hey everybody, Craig Bossy, and today we're going to be talking about second home low down payment options. And we can do these with only 5% down up to $2 million and 10% up to $3 million. So let's get into some of the basics. The 5% down payment option is the minimum. That one requires a 740 plus FICO score, so it's pretty high FICO requirement. Can't do any gifts on that one. We could do that up to $2 million on the loan amount, so about a $2.1 million purchase price, and that requires 9 months of reserves. With 10% down, we can go down as low as 660 middle FICO score, up to $3 million on the loan amount, and 100% gifts are okay for the down payment, reserves, and closing costs. 9 months reserves typically, but sometimes there's exceptions depending on what the rest of the loan package looks like. And what about credit? 5% down, you're going to need at least 4 years after any short sale, foreclosure, bankruptcy. Clean payment history on your other homes in the last year, and a 740 mid FICO score. With 10% down, you can do that as soon as 2 years after short sale, foreclosure, or bankruptcy, and with as little as a 660 middle FICO score. So, what do I mean by reserves? Reserves are funds that are in your account, but you show the underwriter. So, a lot of times people use 401k or IRA account, and nothing has to be withdrawn from that. It's just to show that in a worst case scenario, you do have the money to be able to pay the mortgage for a certain amount of time. What about the debt to income ratio? So the 5% down is limited to 43%, and 10% down can go as high as up to 55%. So sometimes there are certain circumstances where if you're self-employed or maybe you're going to sell one of your homes, a second home, but you're buying another one, you don't have all the funds to do it right now, this could be a great program to kind of get you get the deal closed, and then you can always refinance it down the road. Couple of reasons why you'd want to do this, even if you do have the money down. The leftover funds can be used to personalize and fix up the house. So especially if you're buying $1 million second home, putting down 5% instead of 20% is a huge difference. That's $150,000 that could go towards fixing things up in there. The rest of those are pretty self-explanatory, so I'll go ahead and move on. If you want some more info, a quote or anything, just give us a call, or you can go to the 5 Down Jumbo. Thanks for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon.